Hello traders, Dan here. This is our post-market analysis and review of new trades for January 31. Well, I have to say that we nailed this turn, as we call it, the turn after this climactic buy setup with confirming bullish market internals, bullish engulfing close last Friday, and we said as long as we have a bullish retracement from last Friday's afternoon breakout, then we were fully bullish. It was a little difficult in the morning because we had a little pullback in the morning, which we started entering some trades. But I would have preferred a nice controlled pullback. But guess what? When you nail the turn like that, buyers are aggressive. I really thought we were going to consolidate more here heading into the 11 o'clock midday doldrums. And this doesn't surprise me. This 15-minute chart of the spiders is a picture of very, very, very bullish price action. We had one little scare there, the biggest red bar of the day. And I told people in the green trading room, look, the trend is up. The daily is very bullish and looks higher. As long as this holds a bullish retracement, and it shouldn't even come back to this consolidation, I was still fully bullish for the day and for tomorrow. And that's exactly what happened. That's what we call a red bar ignored. And it just ripped into the close into the last 45 minutes there, as you saw with 3 green bars. Our targets like this declining 20 MA, which you can see some overlapping bars here. There's going to be congestion on an hourly chart. And this has been our target for a while. We got a big 5-bar bullish reversal on volume with the bullish internals I mentioned, and a huge price void. So same bias. As long as we don't retrace much into these bars, we could go up another 1, 2, 3 days. I don't know. But let's take a look at the trades today. And I actually did a video that I posted on YouTube last night. I'll drop it in the link here. If you want to see all of the trades that we talked about, we predicted. I went over a good 6-8 trades that were setting up like this, many of which we entered today, which we'll get to. But the spiders, the XLQ, XLY, there were so many that were making the turn. But let's look at the weekly options trader at the new trades. Costco was posted making the turn. There were so many. It was like a candy store of how many trades look, I say similar but different. That's because they are. They're similar but different, and that's what the video was about yesterday. But we sold a nice put spread on here, plus went long stock in the advisory letter. BBBY, big bottoming pattern. We sold put spread on that. That was in the letter, the weekend letter, and the video. Semis were strong this morning pre-market, so this is kind of a go-to of ours, NVIDIA, Wall Street favorite, so it made the turn here at the 200. Nice little gap. We sold an out of the money put spread for Friday on that. VMware was in the weekend letter, wide range breakout last Friday. We sold a put spread. W Whiskey, we found an afternoon scanning. Again, oversold, made the turn. Not as climactic, so to speak, as some of the others, but I like the gap reversal on big volume, bunch of inside bars, and the same but different. And finally, DWAC, this little Trump kind of SPAC kind of thing. We sold an out of the money put spread on that. So those were the trades in the weekly options trader, which, as you know, all we do is short options and spreads that expire 10 days or less. Now for the advisory swing and options trader. This was in the weekend letter. We did so it had a bullish turn, not like the spiders or XLK, because this is an uptrend, but it's a pullback. Made the turn over these overlapping bars, rising 20. That looks great. We sold a third lot into strength. EFX, I had in the video last night. Climactic buy setup, big turn here on volume. Price void, same kind of target at the 20 MA. That looks great. Hood was in the weekend letter, a gap reversal on huge volume. And that was actually down pre-market, and it triggered, so there was no reason not to take it. We have a nice open gain on that. Lauer was in the weekend ladder, kind of a huge bull flag here, daily, buy setup on the weekly. We sold a third into the close just because that was a big old move for one day, boost up, break even. Costco, I mentioned, we did a put spread and we bought the stock over Friday's high. NXST, we did a put spread, nice wide range engulfing, made the turn here on support. That looks great. In a Sienna, we bought the stock, long stock over Friday's high. Down a lot, made the turn, still got a longer term uptrend and intermediate term, as you can see by the green and the red, and a price for it. So that looks fantastic also. We took profit on a couple of trades. Like we had different expiration put spreads going on all the time. We took the profits on spiders on some of them. Apple, we had a naked put in the advisory letter. We had a put spread in the weekly options letter, and into strength, we closed them out at 5 or 6 cents just to take your money. Those were fantastic. And that's it. So I've gone over a lot, but today just played out absolutely perfect as we have been orchestrated and talking about it. We had great trades. We took advantage of it. We're prepared. We put our analysis on the line yesterday, and today we just executed on that in addition to finding some new great setups. That's it for tonight. As always, email me, Dan@mastertrader.com, Greg@mastertrader.com. Good trading, and we'll see you tomorrow, as always, in Telegram.